So, Granite State Transparency is back in action. She's got all of her GoFundMe's and PayPal's right there. First of all, I'm just going to start off with she lied. Her and Penny News were saying they were gathering this information for educating the public on where to go, what to do, and how to do it in the DMV. And this video shows none of that. This video is entirely not about that. The second thing is that they catch this guy. He says there's a First Amendment right to privacy. Now, he misspeaks. He's wrong. There is not. That's great. But there are generally causes of action for the unauthorized use of a name, portrait, or picture for commercial purposes, like putting it up on your YouTube and funding off of it. I didn't monetize it. Yep. You didn't monetize it, did you? This is monetizing it. You are using this video as a vehicle to procure funding. This is monetized. The fact that they're not running ads on it is meaningless. He also asks you about it. He catches you on it. You're too silly to understand it. But he asks you about the commercial portion of it. And Penny News, thinking he's smart but not wanting to lie, says that other companies may pick it up to publish it. And so this guy asks, well, so how are they getting it? Are you selling it to them? And he's like, well, we're not selling it to them per se. Yeah, dude. Anyway, the big deal is that there's this. There is also 9128.1. And that's just basically, this one is just all the standards from law school: the intrusion into seclusion, the appropriation of identity or likeness, public disclosure of private facts, and portrayal in a false light. Now, where she could get in trouble with this stuff is the intrusion into seclusion. If she's filming someone while they're up at that window and the people are supposed to be, stand here, and then the person goes up to the window and they're talking to him. If she's capturing that audio, then that could be intrusion into seclusion, because yes, there would be a reasonable expectation of privacy at that window. The appropriation of identity or likeness, if they're using your picture, if Granite or Penny are using somebody's picture in their video, like let's say they're using his picture in their video. And then public disclosure of private facts would be the other big one, where they're possibly catching some information like social security numbers or driver's license numbers or anything like that. So there you go. The other thing, so you caught this guy. He is a licensed attorney. So great. He did misspeak, but you have to remember that not everybody is huge into the First Amendment. The First Amendment doesn't really play a big role in most people's lives. As an attorney, as a practicing attorney, I have not yet once run into any First Amendment situations as an attorney. I did have one potential client come in wanting to sue for defamation of character. And my boss basically said, you've got to pay up front because there won't be a payout at the end. And the guy quickly was very disappointed and left. And this guy, what he's done, he was a police chief from like 1970 to 2002, 76 to 2002. He got his law license in 1998 or somewhere thereafter. Since 2002, he was on some DMV board, DMV something board. I don't remember what it was. Or was it? The hearing board for the last 15 years. And then in 2015, I think it was. Is this 2015? Yeah, in 2015, he was appointed to lead the DMV. So he's done no work as an attorney. He's never been, as far as I can tell, he's never been like really practicing anywhere, doing anything. So, I mean, okay. And even if he was a practicing attorney, you can't really expect attorneys to know everything all the time, because there's a lot of law out there, and not everybody's a big First Amendment aficionado. I guess that was really all I had. It was a silly little video. Glad she made it so that she could put up her GoFundMes and PayPals and make sure that this was entirely about commercial purposes, thus giving people causes of action. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.